Hey guys, so this is my dog. Get the bird. And she's playing with this bird that my cat killed. Watch her. Get it? Get the bird, Sadie. Yeah. I had a dog before her that recently passed away. Get the bird. You know I ain't gonna touch it. Get it. Ugh. Oh my gosh, this is so gross. Ugh. And while you're at it, please hit the like button. And I do not like people that beg for subscribers. But if you like videos that are funny like this, all she's doing is just running around. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. If any of you would like to turn this into AFV, I would really appreciate that. Where'd you go? Sit. That's it. Shake. Don't lick me. Well guys, that is all for this video and I'll see you next time. Bye!